Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. It's abbreviated to Ask VSA. If you have any questions you want me to answer, put them in the comments below. But you've got to push like and subscribe to do that. No, you don't. It'd be good to click like though. And I'll answer the question if it's a goodie or if I get it requested enough. My name is Peter Vox. I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy. Vox Singing Academy has been established since 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week, and we also have the ultimate online singing course. Check out the links below for more info. Let's get stuck into the next question. The next question is, why can't I sing certain songs? Now, this is a very open-ended question. There are numerous answers to this particular question. I'm going to go to the main points about why certain people can't sing certain songs. Now, the number one point why you probably can't sing a certain song is it is out of your vocal range. So it's generally like guys trying to sing female songs, but then again, they might be doing them in falsetto, whatever it might be. But that's generally the reason. The song is in the wrong key for your voice. Now, you don't get someone like Johnny Cash, who's a very low singer, and it burns, 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 going out and singing a Led Zeppelin song. You need cooling, which is very high, okay, because he's got a very low voice and he wouldn't be able to go up and do that. Yes, now I can do that because I've stretched my voice and I have a huge range. And, you know, Robert Plant, he wouldn't go down and do a really low Johnny Cash song because he hasn't got that type of voice. So that's the number one point. Work out what type of voice you are, okay? I'm actually going to answer that in the next video. No, I'm not, because the next question in the next video is what genre best suits my voice? But I probably should answer that. I will answer that question. I'm going to create a video for that to help you pick out what voice you are and tell you what type of voice you are. But work out what type of voice you are and what range of singing best suits your voice and stick to that, because that is generally why you can't sing certain songs, okay? The other reason is that the song may be a male song that is too low for a female to sing, or it might be a female song where it's too high for the male to sing in true voice. So the male can go up and sing it in falsetto, but it might not sound the same. It might sound like The Darkness, and nothing wrong with The Darkness. So that is generally the key. Pick keys that are going to best suit your voice. The second reason is that you might not be great at that particular song or genre, meaning, let's just say it might be distortion or some sort of metal or a coarser sound. Doesn't mean you can't do the song. Just do it in your voice. You don't have to go and sing, "Say your prayers, little one," like Metallica. Sing it in your voice. Sing it, "Say your prayers, little one." Okay, so go off and do that. Sing it in your voice where you feel comfortable. But there might be some skills in the song. Like it might be a very quick song like, "Should have been, could have been, would have been dead if I didn't get a message going through my head." So it might be quick, so you might need to learn how to articulate quickly like that. So it might be a rap song or a hip hop song or an R&B song where he's singing smoothly, "I believe I can fly." So it might be the genre, it might be the skills in the song. So again, pick a genre that you like, and if you're starting off, do easier songs to start with. I know that you're all inspired by your heroes, and they might be really hard songs to sing. I'm sure your heroes have got some easier songs as well too. Like Christina Aguilera, for instance, she's an amazing singer, but she's got some very easier songs in the earlier part of her career, like Genie in a Bottle and What a Girl Wants. So start off with some easier songs. They're the main reasons why the two main reasons why you probably can't sing the songs or particular songs. Okay, so that's really the main reasons why. There are other definitely smaller nuances why you might not be able to do certain songs, and that might be because the phrases are held out long, you're running out of breath, and they would be technical issues. Okay, so there are lots of other different things, but they're the two main reasons. The key of the song, and it has a certain skill that you're sort of struggling with. So again, pick out keys of songs, work out what type of voice you are, what songs best suit you, and the range that suits you, and stick with that, okay, until you get better at certain skills or expand your range or learn and become a better vocalist to sing harder or songs that require a certain skill or a technique. I hope that helps you out. If you need help with certain techniques or skills, please look us up. We have numerous Melbourne studios here in Melbourne. Did I just say Melbourne twice? 3 times now. With male and female teachers, we give online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days a week. And we also have the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Check out links below for more info. Please click like and subscribe if you like this channel. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If the question is a humdinger, I will answer it. Thank you very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Live every day as if it's your last. Be good to each other, and peace and much love. And as usual, no editing.